Blog Talk Radio.
Check out the full episode of this on MENTELLECT Patreon. You know, y'all remember the other night I was talking about that thing with Erica Lachey? That sister, that nice looking sister Erica Lachey, and I said, you know, and I sent in her in her chat section, I told her about, you know, we the bronze copper colored people and we are the real Americans, right? Remember I said that? How many of y'all remember I said that? I quoted that on the other cast? Because this, again, is going to show me, explain to you exactly why I said, you know, the Ahmen will never get power again. Everybody remember that? The Erica Lachey thing where I said I was in her chat, comment section while she was doing her live, and, you know, she was talking about out getting together and all this other stuff. I just interjected, and I said, we're not Al, we bronze, and we're the real Americans, the real ancient Americans. Just basically tell her something that should be commonplace knowledge by now, because the way it's being screamed out. And she rejected that. She basically rejected, like, oh, whatever, like it's, you know, whatever you want to be, whatever. Can we just get together? No, we cannot. And this is what I'm talking about. This is why East Al will not receive power again. They're too delusional. Can y'all hear what I'm saying to you? They're too goddamn delusional to receive power. The Ahmen, when they send that power through, they're not playing, man. When that power comes through, it's not going to be a game. When that mental power and all that telepathy, psychometry, clairvoyance, intuition, when it comes through, and it's coming, boy, is it coming. It's not going to be a game. And it cannot be in the hands of people who are delusional. Do you understand what I'm saying to y'all? That power cannot be in the hands of delusional people. You but not fit to receive that power, as we all can see. Tell me I'm wrong. Fit to receive that type of mental power? Huh? Again, you cannot have delusional people. You cannot have delusional people receiving this kind of power. This is more powerful than guns, weapons, anything. This is mental power over people, place, possessions, because we're going to be placed in the fourth dimension to receive that power on earth. I want to be all the fake things. So why the hell would you give real power to people who can't even be real with themselves? They want to follow fake things. So why the hell would you give them real power? Real power is for real people. For the complete broadcast, you're going to have to go to MENTELLECT Patreon. Go to MENTELLECT Patreon for this complete broadcast, because it will not, I guarantee you, it will not be on YouTube. Subscribe to MENTELLECT Patreon and join the American Republic. Subscribe to Ethnic American channel with Sister Enra Vendetta. That's our channel, the Ethnic American channel. And subscribe to High and Mighty Talks on YouTube with NUBEN MENKARAYZZ.